This is Rhode's tiniest wireless microphone solution for smartphones, but shh, don't tell them. I also made this work with my computer and some of my action cameras. If you're a content creator who uses mostly their phones to create content or record audio, and if audio quality matters to you as it should, I think you may enjoy this tiny guy. This transmitter is tiny and it weighs 12 grams without the magnet, and with the magnet it weighs 18 grams. To put that in perspective, the transmitter from Rhode's fantastic Wireless Pro system weighs 35 grams, which is 3 times more than this. What that means is this pulls down your shirt a lot less. The magnet doesn't need to be as strong to hold it. It flaps around less when you jump up and down, and it takes a lot less space in your backpack. Actually, this can fit into your pocket, but we're gonna talk about that later. But of course, this comes with a price. Unlike Wireless Pro, as you can see, this doesn't have a USB-C port. This doesn't have the microphone in. This doesn't have these buttons, to record button, the mute button. It doesn't have any of those. It doesn't record in 32-bit float. It doesn't have internal recording. And the reason why internal recording is very important is if this gets disconnected from the receiver, it's okay because it already records to itself. And sometimes I only use the microphone and don't even connect the receiver and just record to this and then sync the audio later on. You cannot do that with this one. This just sends the audio to your phone, and if it gets disconnected, it is disconnected. And the lack of mute button, of course, mute button can be important in some situations. For example, you're doing a shoot and then you go to the restroom and then you don't want to turn it off. Actually, there's no button to turn this off or on. Anyway, this just turns on as soon as you take it out of its charging case. But of course, the Wireless Pro costs $363.90. where this costs $149. And when it comes to similarities, they both have omnidirectional microphone. What that means is you don't need to hold this towards anything in any direction. Omnidirectionally, it will capture the audio. They both have 7-hour battery life, so you're not resorting for less battery life if you want this instead of this. They can record both from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Sorry, cats and dogs, no up to 60 kHz yet. They almost have the same signal to noise ratio. And interestingly, Wireless Micro has a higher SPL. And just like this one, they both have gain assist, so you will probably not clip. One thing I'm not sure about is the bit. I don't know if this records in 16-bit or 24-bit. And as I mentioned before, there are no buttons. We have this clip here. There's no USB-C port. There's no microphone in. The microphones are these. And when it comes to battery situation, we have a green light here. Green light means it has battery about 20%. If this is amber, it means it's between 10 and 20. If it's red, it means below 10%. And it comes with the furry windshield, and you can put this in really easily, and just like that you have avoided the wind noise. This is the receiver, and you can get it with USB-C or Lightning, and it has 2 LED lights here, and you just connect it to your phone like this, and they're connecting, and one of them is connected and the other one's connected. That's it, you are connected. You can use it with the camera app, you can use it with the voice recorder, you can record into same channel, you can record into separate channels. This is the Rode Central app, and here you can set your adjustments. You can adjust the brightness of these lights. You can split channels to left or right, or you can merge them. So there's no safety channel and stuff like that, but it has auto gain that should take care of everything. We are recording everything using this microphone right now, so you're hearing what we're getting. And then we have Rode Capture app. There you go. Wireless micro, output gain. You can change the output gain to low, to medium, to high. It's very simple, very simply made. It's just made to record better quality audio. Now let's talk about this action camera. When I plug this in to my action camera here, as you can see, it worked. They both work. And of course, you can connect this to your computer as well. So if you're having a Zoom call, you can just connect this in, have a nice clear audio. This charging case is super tiny, and it is something that can totally fit into your pocket, so you can carry this around anywhere you go. One thing I really liked, if you don't want to use the magnet from the transmitter, you can just put the magnet here, and the magnet stays there. And when you need the magnet, you can put this in there, and it comes with the magnet. But unfortunately, what that means is if you forget the magnets, the transmitters are not magnetized to the case. Wind diffuser, of course, just like all of these microphones, you can't put them in there. I wish someone came up with a solution to that. And the interesting thing is this receiver doesn't have a battery. Charging case can charge these transmitters 2 more times, and they each have 7-hour battery life. What that means is in total you get 21-hour battery life. Now let's talk about cons. Of course, you cannot connect in your lavalier microphone. There's no microphone in, so it has to be on your chest or something. But all of this is to make it smaller. There's no internal recording, as I mentioned before. Once the connection gets interrupted, it's gonna get interrupted. There's no USB-C on these devices, so if you need to charge it, you absolutely need the case. If you need to update it, you absolutely need the case. Also, the battery indicator showing that it is, what was it? If it's green, it says it's about 20%. I find that a little too much. I think that should have been 80%, because 20% means you have 1.4 hours, 84 minutes left to record. And if you're going to a place like CES and stuff like that, where everything is chaotic, everything is happening too fast, and you gotta work all day long, sometimes you may forget to charge this. And when you look at it, if it's showing you green, you may think, hey, I have full battery on this, where in fact you don't. So you're expecting 7-hour battery life, and you may get only 1.4. So I wish this was green above 80%. As I mentioned before, we're recording the audio using my iPhone over here. They say this thing has 100-meter range, probably unobstructed, which is less than what we have with RØDE Wireless Pro. But let's see what happens if I start moving a little bit away from the iPhone. Right now I am gonna go out of this room slowly. I'm all the way here. I'm turning around, and then I'm just saying stuff, just to say stuff, and then I'm gonna walk outside, and there's gonna be a huge obstruction over here. I'm here right now, and then I don't know what's happening. Are we still connected? Are we still recording? I have no idea. I'm in a different room. How you doing?
Hi, how's it going?
Great. I'm checking on my employees over here. Is my next video ready?
I'm sorry, I think you wandered into the office next door.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, now let's compare RØDE Wireless Pro to RØDE Wireless Micro. Right now I'm wearing both of them, and this is what RØDE Wireless Micro sounds like, and this is what RØDE Wireless Pro sounds like. I'm gonna guess they probably sound more or less the same. If I get loud, will they sound still good, or will one of them peak? If I get loud, will they sound still good, or will one of them peak? I don't know. And if you want to bring someone else to the equation, we can bring in this guy, and this is what it sounds like with my Shure microphone, and this is what it sounds like with the others. This system so far doesn't get recognized with the RØDE Central app that we use on our computers to update these microphones, so that's probably gonna be with another version. But so far, yeah, this is not being recognized by that app. Well, thank you very much for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think about RØDE Wireless Micro in the comment section below. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves and hoşça kalın.